Construct geometric figures, triangles, when lengths of any two sides and the non-included angle are known. Before we start this construction, let us make sure we understand the terms included and non-included angle. Included angle is the one between the two known sides of the triangle, whereas the remaining two angles of the triangle are referred to as non-included angles. Let us construct a triangle with AB equals 10 centimeters, AC equals 8 centimeters, and the non-included angle B equals 50 degrees. Again, as earlier, we draw the rough sketch of the triangle to know what it will look like. We start by drawing the longer side by a ruler. We draw a line longer than 10 centimeters and use a compass to mark 10 centimeters on it. This gives us AB equals 10 centimeters. At point B, we measure and draw an angle of 50 degrees using a protractor as shown. Now, adjust the width of the compass to 8 centimeters and place the point of the compass accurately at A. We now draw an arc to intersect the angle of 50 degrees. We find that the arc intersects the angle at 2 points. We call them C1 and C2. We join A and C1 to form triangle ABC1. We also join A and C2 to form triangle ABC2. Both these triangles, ABC1 and ABC2, meet the desired requirements of AB equals 10 centimeters, AC equals 8 centimeters, and the non-included angle B equals 50 degrees. Hence, one should note that when, along with the lengths of any two sides, if the non-included angle is known, we shall be able to construct two different triangles.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Maskly to help you and let the math finally start mathing.